We have designed a new software feature business model based on unit values. Each feature has a cost in unit values and can be activated with those unit values. With the unit values, we bring three things to the market: scalability, versatility, and flexibility. Scalability, our customers pay only for what they need. If they want to scale up their line, they just need to buy new unit values to activate more features. Versatility, for the first 3 years after the activations, we give the opportunity to the end users to release the UVs, bound to a features, and activate a completely different features. That brings a lot of flexibility to our customers to adjust during production ramp-up. And flexibility, our customers can always relocate the features from one compatible equipment to another one. This gives them the opportunity to rebalance on operations on their line if they need to optimize their production.
Yeah, that's a good question. Desoutter specifically requested the CodeMeter security features to deliver unit values to their users. And using the CodeMeter system, that means that users can only get those tokens or UVs if they are authorized. It completely prevents non-authorized use. Also, this gives the end users the flexibility to transfer and activate those tokens and deploy them as they need it in a very flexible way, just as Laurent explained.
The software today is the backbone of our product ecosystem, and it's also a key differentiation with the competition. We do invest a lot in software development to help our customers to realize their digital transformations towards Industry 4.0. So it was really critical for us to monetize our software features to get a balance between the investment, the added value to the customers, and also the return on investment. The introduction of the new business model has allowed us to conduct a transition between a full physical business model to a mixed physical and software business model. Our customers are satisfied with the flexibility we bring, especially because they can rebalance easily their operations on their line and optimize their production capacity. A major point of satisfaction is also the simple logistic for both the customers and us. We only manage one part number, the unit values, and it's really easy from a logistic point of view.
So yes, Desoutter is moving from being a traditional hardware-centric company to selling more and more digital components in their product offerings. So they sell more software, they sell more digital elements, and the product therefore becomes more flexible. And this is very typical of a transformation in Industry 4.0. And there are 3 points that are really key. One is you want to enable your end user with a maximum of flexibility so they can configure the product as they need it at that time. Sometimes even in an acute situation, change the production process, and they can do that with the unit values concept. And a second part, which is also very important, Desoutter needs to be compensated for their R&D efforts. So there should be no illegal use of the software, and that's why you want to protect your software against reverse engineering. Because that's, we think, probably the most important thing in this digital transformation. You need to protect your intellectual property to make sure it stays yours and you can only monetize it yourself.
We are currently working on a new solution to introduce a new business model in subscription to give an OPEX alternative to the CAPEX to our customers. In this new business model subscription, we will use unit values subscription, and those unit value subscription will be hosted in a safe in the cloud.
So yes, Desoutter presented us with quite a unique challenge. The standard product offering of Wibu-Systems is called CodeMeter and provides out of the box a lot of security and a very flexible licensing system. Desoutter wanted something very special with tokens and unit values, which we are going to deploy in this new project from the cloud totally electronically. And if a licensing scheme like Desoutter employs is possible with CodeMeter, we think there are almost no licensing schemes that cannot be built on top of the ecosystem that is CodeMeter. With CodeMeter, you have the secure infrastructure to meet all your protection and licensing needs today, but also in the future.